Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We're just getting started in this space. It's very exciting. Also, guys, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, and I would appreciate it. So thank you very much. Let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. Please be careful out there. You can lose money like that in cryptos, and that is why I have a golden rule. I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money very fast in crypto. So please be careful, do your own research. Do not take what I say as financial advice in these videos. All right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't really posted other than it is Australia Day. Today here it is a public holiday, but I've come into the office because I've got stuff to do, and more importantly, I'm educating myself about what's happening in the market in general. So I think it's very important here. I'm not about to go and get absolutely obliterated drinking. Not going to do that. I'm not into that anyway, guys. But happy Australia Day for those Aussies. That is a kangaroo there. Look at him, he's enjoying himself. Anyway, let's get into the markets today. I'm going to go through coin market cap. Then I'm going to get into the Australian coin spot. That's where I buy my cryptos in Australia. But let's have a look at the total market cap today. $1.6 trillion today, which is really nice to see. In the green, finally, we've seen some greens. $40 billion in trading volume there. Let's have a look here. That looks like 40 trillion. I don't even know. That is a glitch. Can't be accurate. That's 40 trillion. Don't know. Can you see that? That's crazy. Anyway, we're in the green still in the last 24 hours. Let's go to the gainers. We've got Loopring, Bora. Don't know what Bora is. Near Protocol. I am invested in Near as well. Secret, Helium as well. Some interesting stuff here. Let's go to the top coins. Now, we've got Bitcoin sitting at 36,000 US dollars in the last hour. It is down in the last 24 hours. It is up 1.48%, guys. That's really positive stuff. And I think there's a long way to go with Bitcoin. It is literally the start of the year. There's all this FUD out there in the news and the media already. We're not even like, what are we now? The 26th of January, 2022. Give it some time. Have some patience. Be positive. I'm going to show you an interesting chart that I came across last night. Anyway, so it's going to be really interesting. Ethereum's at 2,400 USD. BNB 379 USD. Cardano's $1.03 USD. Come on, that is incredibly cheap. It will be a good project in the future if you hold long term and be very positive. It's a layer one. It's going to be smart contracts coming out on the platform, guys. So Cardano is a gem. Solana's at 93 US dollars right now. That is incredibly cheap, and still everything's still literally on sale right now. It's awesome. XRP 61 cents. There's some updates about XRP in this court case. I'm going to get into that also with Brad Garlinghouse and Ripple the company. So stick around for that. Going to get into Twitter in a second. But 61 cents, that is an incredible buying opportunity as well. Luna's at $62 USD. Dogecoin, 14 cents. Yes, Elon Musk came out last night. I was up late tweeting all night last night. And I saw Elon Musk tweet out that if McDonald's starts accepting Dogecoin, he is literally going to have a Happy Meal on TV. So don't ask me why you'd buy McDonald's with Dogecoin. Anyway, we can buy Dogecoin, merch, Tesla merch with Dogecoin and McDonald's now. Don't eat McDonald's, man. I mean, look, I'm invested in it, but try not to eat it very often because it's not healthy for you. You got to start looking after your health. That's very important, especially what we're going through right now. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Elon Musk is going to eat a Happy Meal. Dogecoin's going to accept McDonald's. Anyway, we'll see what happens there. It's going to be interesting. Polkadot, $18 USD. That's incredibly cheap, guys. You can stake it on CoinSpot as well and earn some really nice interest. AVAX, $66. Polygon, $1.55 USD. Shiba Inu is up slightly, 0.31%. Let's have a look here. Atom is at $34. Crow's 39 cents. I think Crow, once this stadium and all this stuff happens, it's going to be an incredible project. And they've also partnered with here in Australia, with the Australian Football League, and obviously again with all these major sport companies, even the UFC, I believe it is. Yes, it is. And Formula One as well, my favorite sport. So that's pretty cool, man. So Crow, I'm considering investing in as well. Near Protocol, $11.78. Link, $15. Algo, 91 cents. A great buying opportunity. It is a banking coin, part of ISO 222, the compliance stuff that's coming out August and November this year. Algo is one that I'm very bullish on. FTM, I am holding that, $2.28. I'm staking that on CoinSpot. Tron is at 5 cents here. FTX is at $35. XLM at 19 cents. This is a very good one as well, guys, because obviously it's got hasn't got any issues at the moment with regulatory clarity. So again, could be a very bullish project as well. So I am going to be adding more of that. 19 cents. ICP, $19. I saw a few of my viewers that purchased this at its all-time high, guys, and I feel bad because I don't like seeing people get wrecked in a sense. I mean, like, it was pumping. I mean, it was very expensive. Look at this, guys. $389 US. Wow, that's a lot, man. But anyway, it's dropped back down. I'm not bullish on that at all. Mana, it's $2.17. A really good entry point for those of you who want to get into the metaverse stuff. Hedera's 21 cents. Very bullish. I love their governance board. It's an incredible project with Hashgraph. So it's very different. But again, I mean, even the likes of Kevin O'Leary are investing in Hedera because of the governance board itself. Big corporations are involved with Hedera. VeChain is at 5 cents, up 5.4% today. Very nice. Eunice said Leo. Have no idea what that is. It's $3.52. Some other stuff here. Axie Infinity, $50. Sandbox, $3.20 USD. Great buying opportunity. Theta's at $2.63. Theta's got some really incredible patents as well. And also they're partnered with one of the biggest entertainment firms in the United States, which is Creative Arts Agency. Huge deal there, guys. So Theta is a sleeper as well. IOTA, 81 cents. Harmony's at 18 cents. Aave, $149. The Graph Web3 project, guys, 41 cents. These are my favorites anyway. Curved out, $2.99. What else we got here? Engine is at $1.56. Neo's at $18. Quant, $102. Yes, I will do a video on Quant soon. I'm going to dig into it more. I'm not invested in it, but I am considering it strongly because of what's coming out this year with the banking sector. So Quant is on my radar, everyone. Oasis Rose, 32 cents. And let's keep scrolling down into my other favorite, which is XDC. It is up 2.38%, and it is 6 cents USD now. Guys, this is an incredible project. In the last year, it has had a 928% return. Where do you ever get a 900% return on your money? It is insanity what we're seeing in cryptocurrencies. Anyway, let's go into CoinSpot because this is where I buy my cryptos. I'm going to show my Aussie viewers what's happening in Australia. Bitcoin, 52,000 Australian dollars. Ethereum, 3,500. BNB, 544. Cardano's $1.47. Solana's 133. XRP, 88 cents. Now, this is an incredible buying opportunity. Luna, $89. Dogecoin, 20 cents. DOT, $26. You can stake that and get some nice interest. Matic, $2.23. Cosmos, Atom, $49. Crows at 56 cents. Near Protocol, $17. Link, $22. Algo, $1.32. FTM, $3.26 Australian. XLM is at 28 cents. Mana, $3. Hedera's at 30 cents. VeChain, 7 cents. Guys, VeChain's so cheap. I'm loading up on that. Axie Infinity, 73 cents. Sandbox, $4.62. Woo! Harmony 127. Keeps going down here. The Graph, 59 cents. And I'm just going to go straight to it. Gala's at 27 cents, by the way. That's a gem. Quant is 147 Australian dollars right now. So again, it's come down a lot. And XTC is at 9 cents. Anyway, I'm going to get into the news here, guys. Let's have a look at crypto bubbles right now because last I've just checked before, it was all in the red. I'm not really worried about this again. The only one that's green is Bora. No idea what Bora does. Not going to worry about that. But I came across this. Believe it or not, I came across this on TikTok from another TikTok, influencer. So this is incredible, guys. So it is the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. I have heard Raoul Pal talk about log charts, linear regression, and all this stuff for a long time. And I came across this and I was just happy to find this, guys. So this basically explains where we're at the moment in the market. So you've got maximum bubble territory, guys. Sell seriously. FOMO intensifies. Is this a bubble? HODL, still cheap, accumulate, buy, and basically A. So a bargain here, guys. That's basically what it says here. So a fire sale, sorry. So I'm going to zoom in here. This is where we're currently at the moment, which is obviously 2022, the 1st of January, or basically, anyway, we're in January. So go here. We are at the moment, in this current market right now, in the accumulate stage. You can clearly see that right now. Very interesting. I've been telling everyone to dollar cost average in if you can. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing because it's just consistently buying at each point here. Like if I go here, I mean, look at this part here, guys. So the 8th of the 5th. So I'm assuming this is the 5th of August. We write the dates backwards here in Australia. We go 5th of the 8th. So that's a 58,000. And we're currently at today sorry, the 8th of the 3rd, 2020, so 3rd of the 8th. Anyway, so it's a bit confusing with the dates. Let's just have a look here. Again, sorry, yeah, no, that's correct. So 34,000, around there. Anyway, there we go, just had it. Anyway, 26th of the 1st, which is today, so 36,000. So we're in the accumulation stage. The last time it was on the, obviously the sell here, you can see the maximum bubble territory here. I'm going to go right to the top here, was in the 1st of the 5th, 2018. Bitcoin was valued at $16,000. But another thing I just want to point out on this log scale chart here, guys, is the fact that the entire, like Bitcoin in itself, and this goes for all cryptocurrencies, it is in an upward trend. Clearly, you can see it there, guys. I mean, look at where the line is sort of heading towards, which is that, you know, beautiful $500,000 valuation mark. So, is it, you know, possible? Of course it is. I've got to pop up here, so I'm going to get rid of this. I mean, you've got to think about it. We're just getting started in this space in cryptocurrencies. Institutions, this is all institutional money. And Michael Saylor, in an interview this morning I was watching, was basically, you know, confirming that if there was no institutional money right now, Bitcoin would be trading at around, you know, the 16,000, I believe what he said, 16 or, you know, $10,000 mark, around that range. So that's what would be happening right now if institutional money wasn't flowing into cryptocurrencies. So just goes to show that institutions are currently buying Bitcoin and money is flowing in. And some other stuff here, guys. This is, for reference, these were the original charts from 2014. By the way, this is on blockchaincenter.net, so check this out. It's a really cool website. Again, you can see the growth of Bitcoin over the years, guys. So it's unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Bitcoin trend price. So check this out as well, going up to the $2,000 mark back in 2014. This is incredible as well. And this is original rainbow chart from Reddit user Azop without logarithmic regression. So if you go here, you can see these are the dates here from 2009. Just look at that logarithmic non-regression line there going straight upwards to $1 million there, guys. So just goes to show, and this is in 2019. I mean, we're at the 2022 mark right now, you can see here. And then going into 2023, 2024, guys, I don't think $1 million Bitcoin is out of the question, honestly. I think it's possible. Anything is possible in cryptocurrencies. But I mean, why would Michael Saylor be literally coming out blatantly saying he's buying all the Bitcoin he can? This is on the altcoin season index, guys. We're in the Bitcoin phase right now. It's 35. Usually it's been on the right-hand side, but it's just gone smack bang back to Bitcoin. So this is really interesting as well. Some updates with this SEC case. And, you know, the SEC has won time to resist crucial document handover to Ripple in an XRP lawsuit. It's just really annoying because they're blatantly delaying the case. A federal judge on Monday has given the US and Securities and Exchange Commission until February 17th to fight her earlier order to turn over defendant Ripple Labs certain sensitive government documents in the agency's lawsuit alleging XRP was an unregistered security. Now, they know that Ripple's got the upper hand here, guys. They are trying to delay this. It is clear as daylight. They're lying. They're hiding the facts. They're changing the wording on their website from Hinman being his own personal opinion to we, which is really fascinating as well. I saw on Twitter in an interview going, I think it was 2019. I've got that on my Twitter page. We'll get into that in a second. But guys, so Ripple and XRP investors initially believed they had won the legal skirmish after the US Magistrate Judge Netburn on June 13 ordered the SEC to turn over the documents, including notes on private SEC meetings with third parties over Ethereum and the draft of a controversial 2018 speech by the SEC Director William Hinman that declared Bitcoin and Ether were not securities. Well, they haven't said they're not coming after them either. So going to be interesting here, guys. But the SEC has pushed back by asking for more time to argue against the disclosure order, and Netburn is now giving the commission nearly 4 weeks to do so. 4 weeks. They are going to lose this case, and it's clear as day that they're trying to scrounge around, trying to get as much, you know, time as they can, just delaying the inevitable, which is that Ripple is not a security. And even a government regulator, you know, in the United States back in the day, and I put the video up on my channel, ruled that XRP is a virtual currency. It is not a security. Anyway, some interesting stuff there, guys. I'm still very bullish on XRP, regardless of what happens to this. Never mind the lawsuit. That's my theory anyway, but that's my personal opinion. Never mind the lawsuit. Big things are happening in crypto right now. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, excuse me, will continue to buy Bitcoin despite the cryptocurrency rout. So he's basically blatantly said he's coming out and buying more Bitcoin, and he's not selling it either. And they're trying to raise more capital to buy more Bitcoin, which is really interesting as well. MicroStrategy said it plans to continue its Bitcoin buying this year despite the crypto rout. The firm's chief financial officer, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin approach is to buy and hold. It's only going to go up in value, guys. Bitcoin has fallen below 40,000 AU, $56,000, sinking to its November high from about 69,000. So again, Michael Saylor is continuing to buy. This is what the Financial Review here in Australia put out. If crypto disappeared, would anybody actually notice? Of course we would. How dumb is this article here? The idea, a whole new crypto-based vision of the World Wide Web is coming down the track does not hold up in the numbers, guys. Crypto is seemingly everywhere this year, which we all know this, and it's just getting bigger. The total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is still above US $2 trillion. It's down slightly today. Despite some recent losses last year, people spent more than $44 billion on non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on virtual ownership of rights and digital objects, an amount that approached the total size of the global art and antique sales of 2020. It's only going to get bigger. The notion of Web3 has firmly attached itself to crypto in the past year or so. So again, a lot of FUD there. I don't know why they're doing that, guys. Probably a lot of older dudes read the Financial Review. It's just pretty boring anyway. But this is fascinating as well. I saw this pop up on my phone a few days ago. Crypto users worldwide tipped to reach 1 billion this year. That is insane. This is what I'm saying. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's just getting started. 1 billion users are going to be entering the crypto space. Following significant growth in 2021, Crypto.com has estimated that its number of global crypto owners will reach 1 billion by the end of this year. The crypto exchange said that the total numbers of owners worldwide had grown 178% in 2021, with an increase from 106 million in January to 295 million people in December. Reflecting on its previously, Crypto.com said the adoption in the first half has been remarkable, with major developments including Tesla and MasterCard embracing crypto, El Salvador introducing legislation to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, which they're trying to remove now, by the way. Meanwhile, significant drivers of growth in the second half of the year included additional crypto discussion in the community, increased institutional adoption, and the launch of its first Bitcoin ETF in the United States. So again, it's going to be very fascinating to see what happens there. Let's have a look here. 6 reasons why Cardano will outperform in 2022. I think it's an incredible project as well, and there's a lot of hate out there. So Cardano receives a lot of hate in the altcoin community as lack of utility. The coin dropped 62% after the Alonzo hard fork. The research-first philosophy of Cardano will make ADA the top 3 cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll see what happens there. A wave of decentralized apps will deploy in 2022, which is, I think it's going to be good for Cardano. Cardano will take market share of Ethereum because of its technological advantages, and probably because of their lower gas fees as well. I'm sick of Ethereum. Try not to transact as, if I can on it, but it's hard to do, obviously, because of the stuff that you want to move and blah, blah, blah. But really annoying there with their stuff here. And guys, the Fed preview, how rate hikes could stimulate demand for stablecoins. This is coming as well. Higher interest rates will likely increase demand for the dollar. That could translate into high demand for dollar-pegged crypto this year, like USD Tether, USDC, all that kind of stuff that's pegged to the US dollar. So they could be, everyone could be piling in their investments into stable coins. It's going to be interesting to see what happens there. Anyway, let's get to Twitter. Don't want to keep you guys too long. On this day, a year ago, Bitcoin was 32,000, Ethereum was 1,300, BNB was $41, guys. We've got Solana, $3.70, ADA, 34 cents, Luna, 87 cents, AVAX, $12.22, Matic was 3 cents, which is insane. Crow, 7 cents, Axie Infinity was 84 cents. If you have gotten into Axie Infinity, it'd be like just on the moon right now. It'd be unbelievable. Sandbox, 9 cents, another one that would have made you a lot of money. Doge is at 0.0084, another one, and Shiba Inu as well. Some other interesting stuff here. Thanks you to Bank XRP. XRP Ripple is buying back shares from investors. Despite the crazy headwinds with the SEC, we grew very quickly. CEO Brad Garlinghouse said the company's buying back shares from investors who gave it $200 million back in 2019. This is very fascinating as well. There's some tweets from Brad coming out. You've got the New York City mayor, Eric Adams, converted his paycheck into Bitcoin and Ethereum as the prices dropped. The purpose of the Bitcoin is to send a message that New York City is open to technology. That's really cool. I like that. Now, here we go here. This is Charles Gasparino and Alana Terrett here coming out saying Ripple tells us business is booming despite the SEC tensions, and this move really underscores the strength of their business's model and position in the market. Charles Gasparino, obviously Ripple says it's now buying back $15 billion market value. It has a $15 billion market value after buying back all its outstanding private shares held by investors since being issued in December 2019. The SEC case is ongoing and obviously could impact future sales of private stock. Me personally, if that came out as an IPO, I would be jumping all over Ripple because it's going to be an absolute monster of a company to own. Some other stuff here, guys. Again, this is all this stuff to do with Ripple buying back their shares. So Ripple came out today. Ripple is excited to hear about the concept of the digital dollar being taken seriously and appreciate the Fed's openness to hearing from public on the issues. We believe the public-private collaboration is the best way to ensure fully informed outcomes. This is the tweet from Michael Saylor. Bitcoin's not a trade, it's a technology. Our strategy with Bitcoin has always been to buy and hold. So to what extent we have excess cash flows or we find other ways to raise money, we continue to put it into Bitcoin. So everyone needs to learn and how to make money, guys, to put it into investments to make that money grow. That's the key here. This is from James K. Filan, another deadline update here, guys. So the SEC to file motion for reconsideration of Magistrate Judge Netburn's deliberative process privilege, opinion, and order. This is on Feb 17. Feb 28, you've got deadline for completion of the expert discovery. And Feb 25, deadline for Ripple defendants to respond to the SEC's motion for reconsideration of the DPP privilege. Anyway, so that's pretty much an updated, revised schedule of what's happening here. I'm not worried about this case at all. I'm just dollar cost averaging. This is the Brad Garlinghouse here. Excited to announce Ripple bought back a series of shares at a $15 billion valuation. 2022 slowdown is not in our vocabulary. Ripple's been incredible. Even with 2021's headwinds, it was our best year on record. And Ripple's financial position, $1 billion in the bank, is the strongest we've ever been. RippleNet is much more than cross-border payments. It's bringing crypto-native services such as liquidity enterprises today. The market has a volume run rate of $10 billion. Huge props to the team. RippleX full speed ahead, establishing a multitude of capabilities to the XRP ledger, NFT, CBDCs, interoperability bridges, side chains, and much more. We are working hand in hand with devs to partner all around the world. So this is incredible. Ripple's unstoppable. Breaking El Salvador to remove Bitcoin as legal tender. We'll see what happens there. It's going to be interesting here, guys. You wonder why, if someone has given notice the SEC is coming for Ethereum. This is changing it from E2.0 in favor of consensus layer rebrand. Going to be interesting to see what happens there. McDonald's, only if Tesla accepts Grimace coin. Don't ask me why. I don't try not to eat McDonald's. It's not good for you. Finance, crypto, this is hilarious. Finance, Twitter, crypto, Twitter, sad. NFT, Twitter is like a party. And Michael Saylor again, doing whatever it takes to acquire more Bitcoin. And McDonald's, he's saying that. What else have we got here, guys? That's pretty much it. This is this speech. So both Hinman and Clayton are now on record saying the W word, which is we. This can't be ignored. Listen to this.
Bill Hinman recently outlined the approach we take to evaluate whether a digital asset is a security, and I encourage you to take a look at Bill's speech, which is available on our website.
Straight out, they've changed their wording now to we, not his opinion. So it's very interesting there. Boom, a bridge currency for XRP, yes. So Goldman Sachs has estimated the size of the metaverse market to be about $8 trillion. So the metaverse projects is just getting started. Everyone should be seriously looking at the metaverse projects here. Wales buying Bitcoin here, 700 Bitcoin, $25.3 million transferred from Coinbase to an unknown wallet. $25 million USD. It's around 33 million Australian. That is a lot of money, guys. People are buying Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index 14 hours ago, still at 12. Next level candle painting. In the last 365 days, Bitcoin is up 13%. In the same span of time, Amazon is down 12%. It just goes to show we're still early here, guys. XRP Ripple accuses SEC of delaying the production of Ethereum and XRP documents that could potentially be central to the case. I agree. That's pretty much it. And also, go watch this video on my channel. I don't know if YouTube's going to ban me for it, but go and have a watch of it. It's incredible, guys. It really is. I'm wondering if I can play it now. If it cuts out, you'll know why. but it's incredible. It just basically explains why we invest in cryptocurrencies, and I want everybody to watch that because it's very important. That's pretty much it, guys, for the update today. Everything else I'm not really concerned about. I'm still dollar cost averaging into all my assets. And again, just put things in perspective here, guys, on TradingView. Look at the total market cap here, guys. We are still on an upward trend right now. I don't care what anyone says. We are still in an upward trend. This is the tiny blip right there on the screen. You can see it right there. That's what we're talking about there. So again, we're still on an upward trend momentum, guys. I'm not really worried about anything happening out there. Let's talk about it in the comments, all right? Stay safe. Happy Australia Day, everyone. And we'll speak to you tomorrow. Stay safe. Peace. Bye.